Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize TD Ameritrade account transfer using Auth code step by step clearly. To begin the process of authorizing your TD Ameritrade account transfer, ensure you have your account credentials ready. Log into your TD Ameritrade account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the My Account section located at the top of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Account Transfers. Identify and click on the option labeled Transfer an Account. Fill in the required information accurately, including the account number and institution name. Next, you will need to select a transfer type. Choose either full transfer or partial transfer, based on your preference. Once confirmed, proceed to the section requesting the authorization code. This code is typically sent to your registered email or mobile phone. Check your email or messages for the authorization code. Once you have received the code, return to the TD Ameritrade transfer page. Input the authorization code in the specified field. Double-check all entered information for accuracy before proceeding. After verifying everything, click the Submit button to finalize the transfer request. You will receive a confirmation message indicating that your transfer request is in process. Keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your transfer status. You can also check the status directly from your TD Ameritrade account under the Account Transfers section. The transfer process may take several days, depending on the institutions involved. If you encounter any issues, contact TD Ameritrade customer support for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.